Is that possible? Is that easy? No. If it were so easy, everybody would be honest. Yes? We have to be honest with ourselves and other people. Can we do that today? Alright. Next. Have fun. You want to have fun? Yan ang ibig ko sabihin. Diba? Magsasalita kayo, Sir Rosemary. Ang ibig sabihin yan, functional understanding, not necessary. Hindi naman kailangan maintindihan nyo kung bakit ganun, basta ganun. Yung iniisip natin, nagkakatotoo. Naniniwala ba kayo nun? Na whatever you believe, you will achieve? Yes? The law of attraction?
Yes.
I'll prove it to you. You want proof? Tingnan mo yung kamay mo. Di ba may linya? Ginawa naman natin ito dito. Idikit natin yung kamay natin, yung linya ganyan, para naka-align. Yes? Nakadikit na? Tapos isara mo ganyan, parang prayer ba? Tapos tingnan mo yung dulo ng daliri mo, yung isa mas mahaba ng konti. Yes? Kaliwa, kanan. Yung iba kanan, iba kaliwa. Okay, ngayon, i-separate nyo yung hands nyo, separate, ipaghiwalay, at kakausap, hiwalay, at kakausapin